de toda la noche. No nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Hesti and in today's video we are at the oldest village of Yazd, Turan Posht. It's a 5,000-year-old village. Let's go!
Hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
Okay, this is Chehel Dokhtarun Mausoleum about the village. Turan Posht has taken its name from Turan Dokht or Turan Dokht, who was one of Sassanid kings, and let's mention she was a girl. You know, I'm so proud that we had female kings. Anyway, Turan Dokht ordered to make a big fire temple in a village named Qanotestan. You know, it has a lot of qanats. She ordered to make a big fire temple and named that fire temple Turan Posht. After a while, the village name turned into Turan Posht too. Yeah, that was the story. Let's go.
A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
Okay, this one is Sheikh Junayd Mausoleum and it's bigger. Wow.
Solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles.
It's a mausoleum and it is all that is left. The remaining part is just this, only the walls. Okay, we are in ancient cemetery and seriously all these little stones are tomb? Your tombstones? Father, dad?
Yes.
Seriously? Ah, interesting. And creepy. Goodness, seriously?
And I've been chilling, watching the
I have no word to say. We are in Sufis cemetery now, and the Sufis were a group of people with a specific religion. They were looking for treasure again? Seriously? I mean, aren't they afraid to find a corpse, I don't know, a skeleton and these kind of things? Really?
Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes
I don't like it at all.
My tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me
Nice. These are millstones. Huge. It's so big. Guys, do you see that? That's behind me. I don't know, it's a mountain or a hill. Anyway, if you take a good look at it, see, the surface is flat. At the top it's flat. We call that Takht Rostam or Rostam throne. If you don't know who is Rostam, You don't know, you know. Rostam is the most legendary character in Iranian's myth. Anyway, take a look at it. Guys, we drive for a long time to find some fountains in here, but there's nothing. We can't find it. And that's my father trying so hard to find some fountain, but nothing. Nothing, yeah. I hope we can find it. Do you see any fountains in here? Fountains? Nothing. Nothing at all. I want to see them. Guys, we found them. You see these things, these little hills? They are fountains, but they're all dry. My heart is broken. Don't talk to me. Interesting, they're fountains. Nice. See, that's frozen because it's so cool. I'm so glad. This is so cute. See?
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
Guys, while we were looking for fountains, we found this. It's a castle. One of interesting facts about this village is its attractions are endless. I mean, I'm like, okay, that's the end, and suddenly you found another one. And let's go, let's check it out.
Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one.
Okay, another thing that I wanted to tell you. Most of the buildings in this village are kind of ruined because it's so old and they dated back to Achaemenid and Sassanid Empire, and yeah.
On my mind, you got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine. With you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Which way?
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and love you all guys. See you later. Bye!
If you